Cracking stroke. The secret was that he got his feet into position early and had plenty of time to play it.
Will he take him on again? Let's see.
Well, people up in the crowd, if they haven't got 20/20 vision, that's been smashed away.
Oh, that's smashed. Brilliant shot. It really was exquisite.
Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman.
Oh, an unorthodox scoop, and it's connected with the ball there.
Subscribe to Game Changer 5 on YouTube, and that was a good shot.
These boundaries will hurt. Bowlers really need to step up now.
Timing excellent, batsman in great form here, and that's another huge six.
Oh, this is just unnecessary. Being competitive doesn't mean you cross the line.
Wasn't a bad delivery. The length was good. It was just too good a shot.
The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action.
That's hit straight to the fielder.